Hi, welcome to another episode of How to Make Food. I am your host, Leslie Perrier. Today, we're going to make some wonderful mac and cheese from Kraft. And this is the original flavor. That's the one that I like the best. I don't like all these other things that they've been putting out later, like the double cheese and all that. I like just the original flavor. So, we're going to show you how to make you some mac and cheese from this. All right, so the first thing we do is we're going to take the top off. Set that aside. Now, if you can see in the middle there are noodles, and then there's a pack of cheese. So we're going to take the pack of cheese out. I'm going to put it on this plate right here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pour some water in here. There's a little line, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little line right there that says fill up there. So you don't want to fill up the water any higher than that. So let's go ahead and fill our water, put our water in it. Okay, all right. So I think I'll stir it a little bit. I like to stir the noodles a little bit, so there we go, stir those up. And then we'll take this and we'll put it without any top on it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. So here we go. And we're off. The microwave's going. I'll come back to you after the microwave is finished. Now the microwave is ended, and we are going to go and get the cup. Now I'm going to use a pot holder because that cup's going to be hot, and you might want to do that too. And I'm going to take the plate so I can put it right onto the plate without burning myself. Okay, there we go. All right. So we got our macaroni. Now, in this little packet right here is your cheese. So what we need to do is we need to take this cheese, it's like a cheese powder. Take this cheese and we're just going to open this up. Some people open it up on the corner. I like to get the whole thing. And then I don't know if you can see in there or not, but there's a cheese powder. So we want to put all of that cheese powder into the cup. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our spoon and we're going to mix everything all up. Cheese powder with water that's in it, in the cup, and of course the macaroni. Just keep on stirring and stirring. And it's going to be a little hot, so you might want to just let it cool off just a little bit before you take a first bite. Okay, so we're going to blow into it. Then we're just going to take a first little bite into it. It's hot. That is some good macaroni and cheese, I'm telling you. It doesn't get much better than Kraft. And remember, I'm not getting paid by Kraft or anybody else to do these products. I'm just showing you what I like to do. Cheese. Good. So that's how you make macaroni and cheese from the Kraft macaroni and cheese mix. I hope you have a great day and keep on making food.